Let me create running notes and merge and join we already done. Concat also we done, I guess, actually. Now the today topic will be, yeah. Now adding, dropping columns and rows. Date and time operations. Yeah. Good. So the requirement will be, you will understand. Let us start the session actually. Okay. I can say 2 interview questions, and every project we are using this concept. Every project, take any project we are using actually. And based on requirement, what we can do is, first let me explain about the column, then I can talk about the rows actually. Based on requirement, we can add a column to the data frame. You can add a column to what exactly? Data frame. Now, today I'm going to load the new data set. Data set name is called as a sales set actually. Let's just try to load that one. And you can just try to come here. Sales set actually. Yeah, we are good to go. Let's try to load this file. Import PANDAS as PD and kind of some df equals to pd.read_csv, and here you need to provide the name of the file. What is the name of the file? salesset.csv. Now let me just try to print df actually. Okay. Maybe the total 30 rows it is having, I guess, but we don't want 30 as of now. Good, 30 rows would have, but let me just try to print the top 5 rows. If you wanted to print the top 5 rows, I hope you know head method. What method, sir? Head method. Yeah, we are good to go. We are good to go, I guess, actually. Yeah. How many columns, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Read the column names. Order ID. Last two columns, read one more time. Okay. Product cost and what exactly? Content. This one is a data frame. Daniel, I just wanted to add one extra column for this data frame. Can we add actually? First point we can add. For the existing data frame, based on requirement, you can add a column. You can add what exactly? Column. Let me show you. First point is adding column to data frame. Sir, here syntax matter. What matter? So please focus on the syntax. Here syntax is very, very important. Very, very important actually. This syntax. Let me just try to create a data frame. Yes, we have created here and adding a column. How to add a column, let me add a column. The column you can add like this actually. Left hand side equals to right hand side. And left hand side what we need to provide is this. Kindly please follow the syntax. Df of name of the column. Here I am planning name of the column. Let us just try to give any name of the column. Tell me the name of the column. Let me give the Daniel. Let me give what exactly, sir? Daniel. You can just try to come here. Come to the example actually. Df of intentional I am giving my name so that you can understand we can give any name. What is the name of the column I am giving? Daniel. And right hand side provide one value. Right hand side provide what exactly? One value. The value will be 10. What is the value? 10. Now let us run this example. Quite interesting. Ayyo sir. Good man. Very good actually. What added Column. Column name? Daniel. What is the value? Interesting. I mean just the syntax actually. Why I am telling this syntax is important, same syntax I have applied during list data structure. Same syntax I have applied during dictionary actually. Dictionary. Same syntax even I have applied during series data structure. What data structure? No, these are all, keep in mind these are all point actually. Left hand side, with the df of name of the column here you need to provide. Right hand side provide some value. Provide some what exactly? Value. So this is kind of some randomly I have added one column. Wow. By default the all rows the value is what exactly 10 by default actually. You no need to specify how many rows would you have. I mean to say 30 rows by default all value. You no need to specify. The same value it will be reflect for all rows. It will be reflect for. Can I get a response? Did you understand? Good. Right. Now take this example. Based on requirement also we can add actually. Next point, let me tell you. Next point. Daniel, give me some meaningful. Okay, meaningful column. Df of. This is the product related information, right? Status equals to. Here I wanted to give one word actually. That word will be product delivered. Product what exactly, sir? Delivered. Now there is a column. The column name is what exactly, sir? Status. Very good. And status is what exactly? Product. These are all products got what exactly happened, Delivered actually. Sir, meeku ardhaminda? Good. Right. Now before adding this name of the column names are started from order ID till to what exactly? Quantity. But successfully we have added a column. We have added what exactly? Column actually. So please make a note on this. Key point. Important interview question. While adding, if column name already existing, already what exactly, sir? Existing. Then what happened? This is quite interesting, sir. First of all, did you understand the problem? So the point will be, imagine I'm adding a column. What is the column name? Status. So first of all, whenever you are adding name of the column, if name of the column is not available in the data frame, status, no, not matching, status not matching, not matching, not matching, not matching. At last it will add name of the column. At last it will add what exactly? Name of the column. We'll do one thing. Let me just try to provide, tell me one column name. Indro column name cheppandi. Sir, why you are feeling shy? Tell me, sir. Customer. It's okay. Let us just try to provide this one actually. Customer ID. And here let me provide customer ID. So conclusion of the story, already customer ID name of the column is available. But we are trying to doing what exactly? Again we are taking the same name of the column. Again we are taking what exactly? Now what happened, go to the dictionary. These are all called as a old value. This is called as a new value. Old value will be replaced with perfect example, no doubt in that actually. That's what it is going to happen. Exactly. That's what you need to be understand. Sir, meeku ardhaminda? I mean to say, now read the point, you will get an idea. While adding, if column name is already existing, then what happened? What happened, So simple, old column value will be replaced with new column value. Yeah, new value. New value. Simple, as simple as that actually. Okay. Take this example, you will get an idea. I'm pretty sure you got a clarity, I guess. Can I get a response from you? Good. Now let's move on. Not at over, hold on. I will explain step by step actually. I'm having a little headache. Yeah, let's continue. The topic will be, we are adding column. Let me add a column based on domain wise operation. What operation? Domain wise. Let's look at the domain. What domain, you know? You can just have to come here. Take this data. Especially I'm talking about the last two columns. I'm talking about what exactly? Last two columns. Take this one. Let's take this data. So think like this is the two columns. We do have other columns. These two have what exactly? Two columns. So think like this one is a data frame. Yeah, Daniel, this one is a data frame. Successfully we have created a data frame actually. Good. What exactly you need to be understand, you know? Any idea? What is the first column name? Think like. Chappan sir. Next one is a quantity. Right. Now here I wanted to add a column. The column name is a total price. What is the column name? I wanted to add a column name is a total price. Now let me tell you, when you're talking about the total price, please make a note, this price tag is per product. This price tag is per product. I mean to say 65 into what exactly, you know, 1. Then automatically here is the result actually. Am I right? The next one will be what exactly, you know, 63,000 into, talk with me, 2, exactly 2. Then here is the result actually. Here is what exactly mean result. Can I get a response? Let me show you practical. I hope you might aware about the Amazon. Am I right? Amazon also same thing it is happening. Let me show you. Let me open my Amazon account. Amazon account actually. And for your kind information, my account, my account is using almost 5 members in my family. 5 members, you know, so in my family actually. So randomly if any product got added actually, so please make a note on this. Let's open Amazon. Let's get log into that. I wanted to explain one small scenario. Very good. Go to the cart. So there is a product. The product will be, let me just try to take, yeah, good. Let's take this one actually. Let's take this one and look at my screen. Look at my screen. So think like there is a one good perfume actually that is called as a, you know, so cool water, frankly speaking, right? You know, so this is the one product. What is the price, you know, sir? Think like 1200. What exactly? 1280 rupees. Now, what is the quantity? Right. Now I'm looking for 2 products actually. Don't expect here it will be increased automatically. Now plus then here 2 products actually. Can somebody talk with me? The same tag actually. Now plus one more time actually same tag. Conclusion of this story. Here it will display per product tag. What tag actually? When you are doing checkout, when you are trying to pay the money, then this calculation is being getting happening. This calculation, what calculation actually? This kind of calculation, right? You know, so the cost into quantity, cost into what exactly mean? Quantity. Meeku ardhamainda? I need a response, right? Now I have one small question. I'm planning to buy this one. Then can somebody talk with me how much I need to pay? 3 into 1280. Am I right or not, sir? Exactly, you need to be understood, right? Now here also, data frame is already created. What is created, sir? Data frame is already created actually. Data frame is already created. Now for this data frame, I just wanted to add a column. I just wanted to add what exactly column? That column name should be total. Column name should be, when I say total, indirectly the formula is product cost into quantity. I'm sure you got a clarity. Sir, meeku ardhamainda? Let's come here. What do you guys need to do, you know? Okay, what is the name of the column? DF of, chappan sir. total, okay, total price. Now it kind of some operation you need to apply. What operation? Product cost into quantity. The next one, DF of quantity. Like this you can apply. Very good. The moment whenever you are applying this one, now this one is before adding. This one is what exactly, sir? Before adding the name of the column. This one is after adding the name of the column. After adding what exactly? Name of the column. We are good to go. Look at my screen actually. Wow. Ayo, let me. Okay. Student, sir. This one is before adding. Original data frame. Now for this data frame, I have added a column. What is the column name? Very good. 65,999 into 1. Same result actually. 63,000 into 2. What is the result? 1,26,000. Perfect actually. Can I get a response? This is called as based on requirement. You can add a column. Based on what exactly? Requirement. If you want, you can add a column actually. You can add what exactly, sir? Column. Take this example. You are adding column to existing data frame. Sir, here what is matter? Syntax is important. What is important? Chappalandaru. This line, let me explain. Focus on this line. If you understand syntax here, everything is all right. Take this point and focus on this line. Sir, important man. What exactly? Important. Good. Here onwards, I will ask one syntax. Did you remember? Even I used to ask always which one is a function, which one is a method, which one is a class. I will highlight and I will ask which one is a keyword actually. Here onwards, I will ask. Whenever you are looking at this one, whenever you are looking at what exactly that syntax actually, think like 2 points you need to remember. How many points? 2 points. First point number 1. If it is new column name, then automatically for the data frame, a class name of the column will be added actually. If it is new column name, then automatically a class name of the column is being adding. Point number 1. Point number 2. If column is already existing, talk with me. If column is already existing, old values will be replaced with new values. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Right. Now whenever you are looking at this one, how many points you need to remember? 2 points. How many points? 2 points. First point. If column is new column will be adding at what exactly? Last to the data frame. Simple. If column is already available, then old column values will be replaced with new value. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Good. Key points. There are 2 key points actually. 2 key points. If column is new, then so new column will be added to the data frame at last actually. Point number 2. If column is already existing, then old column values will be replaced with new column. New value. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you connected this point actually. If any questions, I'm happy to help you. Sir, meeku ardhamayinda? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, we are good to go. Yes, sir. Excellent question. So the point will be, Daniel, by default it is adding at last, right? But instead of that one, I wanted to add this column in between these 2 columns. Otherwise, in between these 2 columns. Then you need to apply insert method. What method? That is the next example. That is the next example, right? Now, so Daniel, I just wanted to add a column in between the column actually. Good. Can I get a response? Meeku ardham sir. Did you understand how to add a column actually? Insert column also will cover actually. Now, kindly please make a note. Adding column to data frame. First one. You know, this one is a syntax. Kind of some by using, you know, so df of index is syntax actually. First syntax. Second syntax. Not using much in real time. By using apply method. What method, sir? Apply method and user defined function. By using, talk with me, sir, apply method and user defined function. User defined function. Let me explain. But this one is not using in real time. Let me explain that one too actually. Back to the session. Adding a column, we already covered this. And here I am adding a column. What is the column name I am adding? Status. By default, you know, we will get all values as a delivered actually. Then the next one will be, what is the name of the column? Total cost. By looking at this point, how many points you need to remember? 2 points. First one, if column name is the new, then new column will be added at last to the data frame. At last to what exactly? Data frame. Point number one is done. Otherwise, if column name is already existing, then talk with me. Old column values will be replaced with new value. Simple. Very, very simple, man. Are you with me? This one is another one, not using in real time. So please make a note. Here what exactly we are doing is, left hand side same, the same syntax actually. Right hand side, instead of calling, you know, column number 1 into column number 2, this one is the first column, column number 1, this one is the second column. Instead of this one, we do have an alternative syntax. That syntax will be, call a method, method name is a apply method, sir. What method? Apply method actually. Now, apply method, this method will take, there is a function name. Here we have to create a function. This function name is called as a user defined function. What function? This is also called as a, based on your requirement, you can create one function, you can perform some operation. That operation you can return actually. That operation, what exactly you can return. This is something like, imagine there is a 20 rows in a data. How many rows? First to 10 rows, I wanted to give Hyderabad location. Column name, I wanted to give location. First to 10 rows, Hyderabad. Second 10 rows, kind of some Bangalore actually. You can customize by using apply method. By using what method? But how to customize that Hyderabad, Bangalore, during project I will explain actually. Repeating again. Not only, you know, the first two syntax, by using apply method also we can do. By using what method, sir? Apply method. Apply is a method. It takes function name as a parameter. It takes what exactly? Function just name actually. You should not use parenthesis symbol. If a method taking as a parameter, then the topic name is called as a decorator. Talk with me. Decorator. Decorator. If a method, it is taking parameter as a function name, then that is called as a decorator. That I can talk later actually. Decorator topic. Back to the session. I have a small question. What is the name of the function? Sir, cheppan sir. Total. That function should follow the syntax. It should be one parameterized function. It should be one parameterized function. Yes, it is a one parameterized function. Here you need to provide this data frame actually. This total function will take automatically this data frame. Okay. And from this data frame, same operation. This one and this one. But here you need to apply return keyword. What keyword, sir? Return keyword. Good. But let me tell you, in real time, we are using more this syntax actually. We are using more what exactly mean? This syntax. This syntax. And here you have to specify, boss, apply this operation based on axis equals to 1 means column wise operation. What operation? We are good to go. Yeah, I'm adding this. Syntax is the same. Here is the pointer df dot what methods are apply method, and here name of the function, it takes two parameter p1 comma p2. Parameter first should be name of the function, just to name of the function, it is okay. Parameter 2 is access equals to 1, you have to specify what operation, column wise operation, we are good to go. Then I mean to say you can just have to print df dot head method, and even here I wanted to print what happened. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, the column is added. What is added, sir? Column is added. One of our teammate asked, right? Daniel, it's okay, we understand. I wanted to insert a column in between actually. See. Previously, whenever you are adding a column, at last column name is the total price actually. But here what we are doing, we are inserting a column, the column in between what exactly, fifth position. What position? Did you remember during the list to data structure, I explained very clearly, whenever you are calling a method name is the append method. What method? Append method will add value at last. Append method will add value at. Now Daniel, I wanted to add middle. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a insert method. What method? Here also same. But in Python list to data structure, insert method takes two parameters. How many parameters? Two. The first one is the index position. The second one is the value. But here it takes a three parameters. How many parameters? Three parameters. The first two parameter is a index position. I would like to say column position. What position? Column position. The next one will be name of the column. Parameter number 2. The third parameter is a name, operation we need to specify. What we need to specify, sir? Operation we need to specify. Good. Let's just try to execute this example, you will get an idea. Fifth position, right? Make a note actually. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect actually. Exactly fifth position. Fifth position. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా? One small suggestion, anything is possible, sir. No limitation till now. No limitation. With my whole experience I'm talking, PANDAS is beautiful. Get ready. There is some capstone projects would you have. If you understand PANDAS, kindly please regularly follow my sessions. And there is a after EDA project I will give actually. There is a one excellent material. This material will help you. But before ML, if I share, that would be good actually. So these are all PANDAS related example. Ultimately, when you are working with the PANDAS, before PANDAS, whenever you are going to working with machine learning, before ML actually, you have to be very good in PANDAS actually. Such a nice examples. These are all use case and projects wise actually. I will share these are all examples. Please do practice in our material. Then only I can help you. These are all examples actually. Okay. Sahu sir, just now I have seen we can do that. There are bunch of questions in online. Just now I'm seeing all your questions actually. Siddiq sir, a long back we have asked, is there any parameter named in place actually adding or, so not adding new column? Sorry sir, that is invalid actually. The next one will be Sahu. These are numeric operations. Same we can perform on string data. We can perform. We can just try to add a, kind of some, for, as I told you, top 10 rows, I wanted to add one value, kind of some Hyderabad location. The next one. Otherwise, where are all success transactions? I wanted to make it like a deliver actually. Where are all failed transaction? I wanted to keep like a what might be the reason. What might be the what exactly reason actually. The transactions got failed, right? Can you also add items to the new column as a list or a tuple actually? List or what exactly? Tuple. Rishi sir, we can do that. But let me tell you, imagine the data frame is kind of some, think like a 4 million value. If you are using list actually, it takes a lot of time. How will later and combine user-defined classes and objects within the pandas actually? Rishi sir, I didn't understand your last question actually. Back to the session. Good. Now what I'm talking actually. Which one sir? Mallu sir Japan. No, the sir is asking. Daniel, first point. Index is a parameter. That index parameter, it is fixed only for few methods actually. That method will be drop NA. The next one will be set underscore index also. Upcoming method set underscore index. We done I guess actually. Selection LOC also. Few more methods would you have. But here we should not apply actually. You're right. Without using in place, it is happening actually. But we should understand what do you mean by in place. That's what so I'm trying to explaining. These are all use cases. I will share this material actually. Trust me, you will become master actually. But without practice our material example, if you're trying to practicing these are example actually, I'm sorry, you can see stars in the sky. I mean to say you can feel too difficult actually. You can feel what exactly? First point, be master in our material. Be master in our material. Then I will share this material actually. Sir, are you getting? Yeah, good. We are good to go. Now let me just try to execute this example as well so that we can move on. Yeah, the data frame is created actually. I wanted to insert. Then first of all, prepare the operation. The next one, df dot insert. Df dot what exactly, sir? Insert directly. I have one small question for you. Can somebody tell me what is insert here? Method. What exactly, sir? Method actual. Method. Insert is a method. It takes 3 parameters. Parameter number 1, parameter number 2, parameter number 3. First parameter, position of column. Second one, name of the column. Third one, operation. We are good to go. Yeah, see, here we are adding actually. Here we are adding, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The position number what you are giving, automatically it will occupy the same position. And the point is, whenever you are inserting, let me tell you, the existing column, you will take the next position. Existing column will take what exactly, sir? Next position. It is not a replacement. It is not. Make a note on this. Talk with me, sir. Somebody is calling actually. Existing column name, right? You're asking. I mean, let me just try to give customer ID. Let me try, sir. Cannot insert column ID already exists actually. Excellent actually. So the point is, whenever you are using insert method, if the column name already existing, we should not provide actually. Why? Because duplicate column name, it is not a good practice. Okay, good. The error is a value error. What error? Value error. Cannot insert, very straight to the point. Cannot insert customer ID. What exactly? Already exists. Very good. Very nice. Good. Till now, what I covered, sir, how to add a column. Till now, what I covered, how to add a column. Yes. So there are two ways I explained actually. By using df of, column name, I have explained. That is a syntax number one. Syntax number two, by using apply method, I explained. By using apply. Both, I hope you understand actually. Now the next point will be, till now we understand how to add a column. Now the next point will be, drop a columns. What exactly, sir? Daniel, I wanted to delete a column. I wanted to delete what exactly? Column. Actually, we can do that. We can do that actually, right? You can just have to take this. Now imagine I have created a data frame. Yeah, let me just have to run this example. Good. Hello, Daniel. There are total how many columns would you have? How many columns, sir? 6 column. It's okay. Daniel, I don't want this column. Can I delete actually? Absolutely fine, sir. No doubt at all actually. Daniel, I wanted to delete these two columns. This column I wanted to delete, and at the same time, this column also I wanted to delete actually. Sir, absolutely possible. Absolutely possible actually. Now you can do actually. After deleting this column and this column, what is the next column? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted to confirm one thing actually. If you wanted to delete, you can delete a single column, you can delete multiple columns, that is possible. That is what exactly, sir? Possible. This is also called as a dropping a column and removing a column actually. To drop a column, to delete a column, there is a method name is a drop. Same word somewhere we had. Drop NA. What exactly? Drop NA means dropping none value. Drop means dropping column. I am repeating again. The method name is a drop. Means you are trying to removing the name of the column. If the method name is a drop NA, Chapan sir, if the method name is a drop NA, it means to say that you are dropping the missing value. You are dropping what value? Missing value. Missing value. Any questions, sir? Come again? We can do that actually. I will tell you. We can drop a rows also. We can drop what exactly? Rows. Good question. Let me explain even that one too. Okay. You can just try to come here. Let me specify this one actually. df2 equals to df1 dot method name is what exactly, sir? Drop. Method name is a drop. Method name is a drop actually. Now here you can specify, sir, my favorite syntax. Any idea? Very good. Kindly please make a note actually. Keyword argument. Columns equals to customer name. Indirectly you are telling, hey, I don't want this name of the column. Yeah, you can delete actually. You can delete this one. After deleted, what you can do, let us just have to check df1 dot head method, and the next one will be Chapan sir, df2 dot head method. Very good. Customer name deleted. What is deleted? Perfect actually. Deleting single column. Daniel, let me drop 2 columns. Let me drop what exactly? 2 columns actually. Quite interesting syntax. Daniel, how? How to do that? Very simple. What we need to do, Look at my screen. Are you ready? You can use both syntax. Here, what syntax I'm using? I'm using keyword argument. What is the keyword argument name? Columns. Seems to be since long I asked a question. Can I change this name of the, can I change this one? No. What is error? Type error. Description. Unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Nice, boss. Let's move on. Now please make a note. This is interesting. Previously, we have dropped a single column. If you want, you can drop multiple columns also here. Columns equals to, you can specify the list actually. Instead of using that syntax, Daniel, do you have any alternative syntax? Drop off, list of name of the columns you can specify. You can specify one operation. What is that operation? You know, column wise operation, something like a axis equals to 1. Axis equals to what exactly? We are trying to dropping two columns in column wise actually. Two column in what exactly mean? Column. This is possible. Are you with me or not, sir? Interesting one interview question. Whenever you are dropping, column name should be matched. Column name should be matched. Otherwise, what error? Any idea? What error? Good boss. The error name is what exactly? No, key error. What error? Key error. While you are dropping a column name should be matched actually. Now control jet. Daniel, I wanted to drop a two columns. Then use this syntax. That is still okay. How many columns you are dropping, sir? Two columns. First one, customer name. Next one, product name. Customer name deleted. Product name deleted. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. Dropping two columns. Order not a matter. You can delete any column at any position. That is okay. Sir, with my whole experience I'm talking, no limitation in PANDAS, sir. You tell me one point that we can do. That randomly also you tell me, Daniel, can we do this actually? We can do that. We can do that actually. Okay, that is possible. Next example, dropping rows from the data frame. Dropping rows from what exactly? Data frame actually. Adding row is the very rare scenario. If you wanted to add a column, that is a very common scenario. Adding row is very rare scenario. Very rare scenario. But if you want one example also, I can help you. Ayo, sir, drop NA means dropping missing value. Handling missing value during that time I covered actually. Sorry, let me correct you actually. Drop NA, the name itself is talking is drop NA means dropping, missing value. What value? Missing value or NN values actually. Siddiq sir, you got it I guess. The next question. Sir, imagine if there is no value in a row actually. If there is no value in a row, then it will not remove it actually. It is okay. I mean, but it is removing the rows actually. So simple, sir. Remember the dropping missing value where exactly it is matching actually. That conditional later. If at least one value is available, then it is dropping the row actually. Okay. So the next one will be drop NA means, sir, can we create an object for two columns? Can we create an object for two columns and user use that object to delete the columns actually? Govind sir, I didn't understand your question, sir. So if you want to, please elaborate more actually. Okay. We are good to go. We are good to go. Now we can drop rows from the data frame. We can drop rows from what exactly? Data frame by using a method. Method name is a drop method. What method? Drop method. You can just try to come here. To drop a row, what exactly we are using? Axis equals to, did you remember? I told if you wanted to perform column wise operation, axis equals to 1. If you wanted to perform row wise operation, axis equals to 0. That's what here we are providing. Indirectly, 3 means what exactly, sir? Third index it is going to be deleted actually, right? So exactly what exactly here would you have? Third index. Indirectly you are providing directly index actually. Yeah, good. So in between 2 to 4, third index is not exactly available. I'm pretty sure you got a clarity, I guess actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? Absolutely possible. I have one small question for you. What is your drop here? Perfect. We are dropping your rows. Take this example. Let me run this. Look at my screen. 0 to 5. You are calling head method. Third row here we do have, but here that is missing. Where it went, sir? Because you are calling a method. Method name is a drop, and especially 3. Kind of some 3 you are providing here. It is being getting dropping actually. Daniel, I wanted to drop multiple rows. That is the next example. Good question. Madam is asking, Arey Daniel, yeah, after you are performing an operation, index is a jig job. I mean, index is not a proper way actually. You can go for ignore index. You can go for actually. Instead of ignore index, there is one more option. Option name is a format index actually. Format index. There are many options to set an index actually. Come again. Yeah, reset index. Reset index actually. There are many options. Many options would you have. Maybe if anyone walk through the documentation, you can easy to understand. Yeah, move on to the next one. You should ask one question. That question will be, imagine if the row is not available if you are deleting. Row is not available if you are deleting, what happened? Let us cross verify. Very good, sir. Let's see. What error you are getting, key error. So still it is considering like, so not found access actually. So seems to be, so this is not exactly available, then it is throwing an error actually. So back to the notation, one small point we have to be understand. The point will be, you're talking like, data frame and series actually. Backend completely, they have created with the dictionary format. What format, sir? Dictionary format actually. That's what for dictionary keys are available. So that dictionary is being getting responding actually. I mean, that abstraction layer is the dictionary. But yes, sir. No, sir. Good question. So imagine what our friend is asking is, Daniel, insert means middle, right? Insert means what exactly? Middle. Instead of providing some middle index, let me provide the index which is not available. Can I provide actually? You can provide, sir. Then at last it will add actually. At last it will add actually. Okay. So the same thing, it works in a list data structure also. Okay, good. Let's move on. Excellent question. Then what we need to do? We have to validate, sir. Very good question. First of all, understand the question. What if you don't know which index to drop and which customer name to drop, then how to drop, and how we can drop actually? Then very simple. What we need to do, first of all, df dot index you can pull actually. Then you will get all index. You will get what exactly mean? All index actually. Now, client definitely he will tell, try to delete so and so index. Index number is a 4 actually. Now kindly please cross verify 4 in index. Is the 4 is available? If it is available, proceed for dropping actual. Antene kada sir. Let me repeat again. If you don't know, that is okay. First of all, get all index. Did you remember what is index actually? Here, what is index? You could index into the actual, any idea? Attribute. What exactly? Then you will get all indexes. That is okay. Now, what value you wanted to drop, cross verify that value is available or not. If it is available, proceed for dropping operation. If it is not available, you can tell directly, this index is not available actually. Sir, hope you understand. If you want, I can help you with the pseudo code actually. What exactly I'm trying to doing, df dot index actually. The requirement is, I just wanted to validate print of 4. Let us just have to assign this one with a 4 in a. If it is the true, write a syntax dropping actually. What exactly, sir? Dropping. Kindly go for drop actually. Now conclusion of this. If no, then you can just try to give a message. This index is not existing. Can I get a response from you? Hope you understand. This is the pseudo code actually. What do you mean by pseudo code? The sample code you can proceed actually. Great. But good question, man. Good. So when it comes to almost column wise, the next one will be row wise. What are the operations I have covered, sir? First operation will be adding column I have covered. Adding column I have covered. The next operation will be dropping column I have covered. What I have covered actually, adding column, and next one is a dropping column. But when it comes to row, only one operation I have performed. What operation? Any idea? Dropping row. What exactly? Dropping row. And we can do, so adding row also, but this is very rare operation, sir. But very rare operation actually, rare operation. If you want, kindly please check in ChatGPT. Check in ChatGPT how to do actually. You can just try to walk through. Take one example like a small assignment, you can walk through actually. You can do it. Let me drink water. Sir, I'm sorry. A window ki mosquito net unda? Leda? That's what, Okay. All mosquitoes, they got a good food actually, right? Let's move on. Sir, don't mind. Is it okay? మనం అది క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. We didn't till here actually. Now the next operation is the date and time operations. What operations? Date and time operations. This is the next topic. 1 hour topic actually. This topic takes almost 1 hour. Oh, then I already added here, I guess actually. Yeah. Let's move on. Kind information. Another on an average 2 sessions, then we can close the PANDAS. Another 2 sessions, we can close what exactly? After PANDAS, we are entering into the project discussion. What discussion? During project discussion, I can give one guarantee. You can feel like all PANDAS revision is happening. Why? Because I will call head method, I will call tail method, shape attribute, info method, even today adding a column, apply method, map method. These are all things we are going to call actually. Get ready to understand. Okay. Yeah, we are good to go. Now the topic name is called as what exactly, no sir? Date and time operations. What operation? Date and time operation. Listen carefully. Daniel, this one is the data. This one is what exactly? Data. So when it comes to know the data, imagine if I have created a equals to 10, the data type is integer. If I have created b equals to 1.2, what exactly sir? 1.2. What is the data type sir? Float. And c equals to kind of some Daniel. And what is the data type? String. We know these are all things actually. But let me tell you, let me create a value. Value equals to, what is the today date sir? Today date చెప్పండి 30, 01, 20, 24. So, oh sorry. Good. So don't think like, don't think like, don't think like this data type is integer, hyphen, what exactly? Integer. It was not like that. Sorry for getting. I mean to say, though it is, I mean, this data having the separate data type, this data also having separate data type, this data also having separate data type. This is the date format value. What value? Date format value also having the separate data type. The data type name is called as a date time data type. Talk with me. Date time data type. Date time data type. Date time what exactly? Data type. Good, we are good to go. Very good question. The point will be, we can see there are a lot of formats. We are seeing those things actually. A kind of some India standard format would you have, a kind of some year first they will display, a month they will display first. Instead of month we can display, name of the month we can write. We are working. Good. We are working actually. Okay. We are good to go. Daniel, what we can do? All right. If it is a equals to integer, then we can perform some arithmetic operation. What operation? Arithmetic operation. If it is kind of some string, either integer or float. If it is numerical data, what data sir? If it is numeric data, you can perform some arithmetic operation. If it is string data, you can perform some conversion operation. What operation sir? Conversion in the sense, upper to lower, lower to upper. String operations we can apply. What operations sir? String operations we can apply. But let me tell you, if it is the date value, what value? Date value, what operations we can apply? This is quite interesting. What operations we can apply? We can apply actually quite interesting. What operations we can apply? Let me take this one. Imagine I bought one product. I bought one product actually. What exactly? One product. On an average, the product when I bought, even recently I bought one product. Such a awesome. Maybe I already told, I guess actually. Go to the mission. Yeah, you can just try to go here and go to my orders actually. Maybe, yeah. This is seriously amazing book, sir. Before data science, I love PANDAS very well. I almost having 5 books actually in PANDAS. This one is the 6th book actually. I'm sorry. I have 4 books. How many books? 4 books. This is the 5th book actually. Books reading is very good actually. Books reading is what exactly very good. Just recently, January 25th actually, such a great author. And the author name is, so Matt Harrison. He's the awesome actually. Then I bought this one. Now, why I'm telling, so imagine I bought this book on 25th actually. When I bought, sir? 25th. What are all operations we can perform, from this date actually, from this what exactly date? First of all, I wanted to know, get the date. Get the what exactly? Day actually. Date. What is the date, exactly? On 25th date, I bought it actually. The next one, get the month. Get what exactly mean? Month. What is the month, sir? 01. Get the year. Get what exactly? Year actually. Chapman, sir? 2025. The next one will be, get the day. Get what exactly? Day. 25, which day? Any idea? 25. Very good, sir. Very good actually. Saturday. Okay, Saturday. The next one will be one more operation. What operation you can apply? 25 which I mean to say, either it is weekend or weekday. 25 is 25. What exactly, sir? Either weekend or what exactly? Weekend or weekday. Back end they will do these are all, and not only this, they will do lot of analysis actually. Why they will identify weekend or weekday? Why? Because they will get to know the product sales is happening on weekday or weekend actually. I need a response from you. If it is the date related operation, get ready, we can perform lot of operations. We can perform what exactly? Now let me tell you, if you wanted to perform these are all operations, you should get this data type should be date time data type. Talk with me. మీకు అర్థమైంది సార్? అంటే ఈ డేటా వాల్యూ డేట్ టైం డేటా టైప్ అయితేనే మీరు ఈ ఆపరేషన్స్ అప్లై చేయగలరు. యూ ఆల్ గైస్ కెన్ అప్లై దీస్ ఆపరేషన్స్ యాక్చువల్. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? ఆల్ రైట్, సో విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో. డోంట్ మిస్ టుమారో సెషన్. యా, టైమ్ స్టాంప్ ఆల్సో. We'll continue tomorrow. We're done for today's session. I joined little late for today, so due to I'm having little headache actually. No need to buy. Don't buy this one. Why? Because our material is more than enough. Even this is a more cost effective also. Get a hard copy of our materials first actually. Concat I already done today.